A top-of-the-line gaming experience. Ergonomic and reclinable. Detachable lumbar and headrest support. With full adjustability. This is the Sadie's Pegasus. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Rick Novoselsky with Techspin. We received a bunch of gaming chairs from Sadie's that we're testing out. So today we're going to review the Sadie's Pegasus, the top-of-the-line gaming chair which has a sister version, the Unicorn, which comes in pink. How do you think the Pegasus will fare in our tests? Let's find out right after this. The Pegasus is Sadie's top-of-the-line gaming chair with a ton of features to suit your personal preferences to go with a $475 price. The unit has height and rocker tilt features with Swiss SGS reliability certification, and soft PU leather covering the front and back of the chair, which has German TUV life durability certification. The seat area is wide and deep and will fit larger gamers. Designed with a breathable car-style backrest, with really nice stitching all around the chair. The backrest is tall and provides support for your neck and head. A lumbar cushion comes already attached. Vertically adjustable with straps that wrap around the top and bottom. You can also unclip it and remove it if you like. The newly designed headrest cushion provides support for your neck and now your shoulders too. The 4D armrests Sadie's have designed have 4 directions of adjustment: side to side, front and back, and they pivot in and out to suit your needs. And of course, height adjustment to support a natural arm position. The Pegasus can handle up to 160 kilograms, just over 350 pounds of weight. Opening the box, the chair back is on top, fitted into the base. Looks pretty sweet. Removing padding reveals the chair base and boxes. Here's the chair assembly manual in plastic. Next is the box of casters and Allen wrench packet. Next comes the tilt assembly base. Pretty solid. Removing the chair bottom and arms and removing cardboard, we can see the chair legs, which are rated to 1,600 kgs. Included in the caster box is a packet containing white gloves and an Allen wrench. So you need to assemble the chair, but it's not hard. First, start with the right side bolts to attach the chair's back section. The base has a cool star design and is made super strong. Putting in the casters is easy, and they basically just sit in the sockets. The Pegasus's casters are bigger than most, and they feature a quiet rolling design. They are really nice and smooth. The automotive-grade pneumatic gas rod has German TUV Class 4 certification and fits easily into the base. Then, just put the rod cover on top. Attaching the base tilt on the chair is not too hard. First, we need to remove the bolts, being careful to have your hand ready to catch the washers on the bolts. I put the Pegasus on storage containers to make the bottom fairly flat, which will make bolting on the adjusting base easier and less likely to lose washers falling into the chair's bottom cavity. And as long as you're careful, you'll have no problems. On the bolts go, and tighten them up with the Allen wrench. As did the chair's back bolts. Once done, the snap-on covers hide the 2 bolts on the left and right of the backrest. They're easy to put on. The levers below the seat you can bang on carefully with a rubber hammer. They lock the tilt and adjust the height. The chair has a rocking type feature, so you can lean back and enjoy a movie or a win. You can also lock the tilt in place. Underneath the base is an adjust to set the maximum lean on the chair. I decided to try to film the tilt on camera, and it goes way back. Luckily, the chair doesn't flip on me, but be careful. The Pegasus can go all the way up to airline position, but let's put it back to something comfortable. For competitions, the chair's shoulders have an anti-slip design for hands. Pretty grippy. The Pegasus's seat and back feels firm, yet has a little give, and is really super solid for a chair weighing just over 26 kilos with very sturdy construction. With great looks, a high degree of customizability, and a lot of creature comforts, Sadie's has made a truly excellent chair fit for gamers. Please take a moment to like this video, and if you like what you see, then please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload new content. With the Sadie's Pegasus, you get a really beautifully made gaming chair with full adjustability and really great craftsmanship. After reviewing the Sadie's Draco, I wasn't sure what to expect from the next level up, and I was happy to see it wasn't just cosmetic. And I have to admit, the prices for gaming chairs in general can be quite more than regular chairs. That's simply got to do with needing to construct all the new parts for the arms, back and under assembly, and of course the economies of scale. But the build quality of this chair certainly does match the price of $475 US. With a new ergonomic headset designed to better support the neck and shoulders, full reclinability and a tilt lock recliner feature, and a reclining maximum adjust, which is down below, this chair is built for comfort and scores a 10 on our meter. With Swiss SGS reliability, German TÜV durability certification, and the German certified Class 4 pneumatic rod, this chair is made to last, and good thing too. Overall, I was impressed with the comfort the chair provided, and it was very supportive of my slightly large frame. But of course, finding a chair tailored to your body type may lead to a different result than my conclusion, though the chair is very adjustable to accommodate many body sizes. With a chair capable of handling 160 kg or just over 350 pounds, and the silent rolling casters, an aluminum alloy star base capable of 1,600 kg, I'm giving the Sadie's Pegasus a Techspin Platinum Award for such an excellent overall design and construction. Assembling the chair was fairly easy and didn't take long. With the chair seat and back put together, I'd advise using another chair or bench or something to flip it onto, and then you can attach the gas rod and caster base. Overall, it was pretty easy and it looks great. So I'm really thankful again to Sadie's for the review sample and letting us check out this really awesome gaming chair. What are your thoughts on gaming chairs? Please let us know your experiences. And we always like to hear your ideas for upcoming episodes, so feel free to let us know what you'd like to see next. Please do hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, or tell us how we can improve for next time. To see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe for new content and be sure to click that bell icon to get notified when we put up a new video. We always check the comments and we do respond to most, so if you have a question or if we missed something, then please do tell us down below. And let us know what you'd like to see next. Thank you all very much for watching, and see you again soon. Bye for now.